Hi guys and girls, it's SweetTooth1967. Thanks for coming to my channel. Today we're looking at the power of Jay's cleaning cloths. These are made in Great Britain and they come in a pack of 10. But we got these from Home Care. I think they were from Home Bargains originally. So we're going to open them up, see how they work. The one thing I like about Jay cloths is that they're quite absorbent and they dry really fast. So they're not bad strength as well, and you get a good size cloth in there. If you open them up, you can see. Anyway, enough of that. Let's see how good they are at cleaning. So I've got my mix of Star Drops in here. Just going to give it a whiz round. Now I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use Pure. Just going to give it a whip round with that. Good thing about this is it polishes as well. See, it's slightly dirty in there. Just give that a whip. Okay guys, dead easy. Simple as that, and all you do, just to finish it off, just rinse it out. Literally leave that, and if you leave that hanging over here like that, you'll find that that's dry in about, well, that's half an hour. It depends on the weather. But anyway, definitely get some of these. Stay calm and keep cleaning. So recommend those for everyday your housework, stuff like that. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Subscribe if you like. Thanks for coming over.